other Caucasians to the back. Immediately. Honestly, thank you. Looks better already.
Hey loves, it's your girl Alicia the Astronaut back with another Shein press on nail video. Today we are here with some Shein 3D press on nails. So all you're going to need is a nail file, some nail glue, some cuticle oil, and some Q-tips. So without further ado, let's hop into the video. First, I'm going to be opening up the packaging and I'm going to be showing you guys the nails. And y'all, this nail art, y'all, it is so cute. It's giving Y2K. It's giving pink aesthetic. It's kind of giving Barbie, if I'm being honest with you, with these colors, like with these different shades of pink. Like, I'm loving it. I'm loving the French tips. I'm loving the little planet. It looks like Saturn with the cross on it. Like, I'm in love. Y'all know I love anything with space or aesthetic. Like, I just love anything revolving around planets, the stars, the moon. I'm just in love. Y'all know I'm in love right now. Especially with the pink. I'm loving the pink. But I'm just taking the nails out of the packaging. And I'm picking out which nails fit my nail best. Y'all already know what I'm doing. If you have not already, go check out my latest video. I will be leaving it in the top right corner. There you go. So click on that video and come back to this one later. And for the girlies that are still watching, if you are not already following me on Instagram, follow me at Alicia the Astronaut, aka Alicia Mommy. And I will be leaving it on the side of the screen. But yeah, come follow me. I'm friendly. I'll follow you back. But yeah. Back to the nails. I'm loving this 3D nail art though. Like, I'm loving the strawberry. I'm loving the stars. I'm just loving it, and I'm really in love with the candy and the gummy bear. Like, Shein, I see y'all. I don't care what nobody else says about y'all. I will stick beside y'all.
Look at the screen.
That's mine. And
that's what you're gonna.
Now I'm going to be going in with my nail file, and I'm going to be filing down my nails and just cleaning up around my nails and making them rough so I can apply the press on nails with the nail glue. But my nails be looking so crazy when I be filing them with this nail file. Like, y'all, do not come for me in the comments, but I honestly don't care. But remember, stay in your place. Now that I'm done filing my nails, I'm going to go in with my press-on nail glue. And I'm just going to be brushing it on. Like always, I will be leaving the link to this nail glue in the description box. I got this nail glue from Shein. I've used it in some of my other press-on nail videos. But yeah, like always, I will leave it in the description box.
Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen.
But right here, y'all, I am applying glue on top of the nail art because it felt a little loose. So I wanted to make sure that it stayed on there. So I brushed a little more glue on there. But yeah, if I want to rate this right now, the rating right now would be probably a 6 out of 10. I bet y'all always say I always do 6 out of 10. But the reason I'm saying 6 out of 10, I probably would have gave it an 8 out of 10 if the nail art on that nail wasn't loose. But because it was, I'm going to give it a 6 out of 10 because I'm petty. And I'm going to be honest. Like I told y'all, I'm not going to give y'all no half-ass review and be sitting up here lying just to make a video. But I'm going to give it a 6 out of 10. But what's really doing it for me, what's really making me want to love these nails is the nail art. Like, the nail art is given. And, of course, y'all know I love me some long nails. But I've been wearing short nails lately. But these nails right here are cute. They literally caught my eye on the website. So, as always, I will be leaving the link to these nails down in the description box. But yeah, y'all, I love these nails. So, the rating I will give it is a 6 out of 10. But I'm loving the nail art. Like, it's given. I'm not even gonna lie to you. It's given. But now that I have applied the nails, y'all, these nails are so cute. Like, the 3D art is so cute. Oh my goodness, I bet y'all so tired of me saying that. Now that I applied the nails, I'm going to be going in with my She Glam cuticle oil, and I'm going to be applying this to my cuticles and around my nail. And y'all cannot tell me when I apply this cuticle oil that it does not look like I went to the nail salon and got a manicure and they put that cuticle oil on my hands. Like, whatever. But yes, honey, these nails are so cute. Now I'm just going to be rubbing in the excess oil. Because y'all know my hands be looking ashy on the camera. No shame. Because I love y'all. No shame. The nail art. Look at the candy. Look at the gummy bear. Look at the star. Look at the shapes. Look at the little planet. I'm just in love. But yeah, y'all, this is the finished look. I will be leaving the link to these nails in the description box. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming it. Because these nails are so cute. I'm in love with that candy and that gummy bear. Oh my goodness. But yeah, guys, let me know what you thought about these nails in the comment section. And like always, I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Bye.